Hello, my name is Tim Berg and I'm the librarian for the Biological Sciences. This tutorial is going to briefly go over how to find scientific literature using library resources. First, start at the home page. Do not put your search in the search box. This will search most library databases as well as our physical books and DVDs. Inevitably, it will bring up a lot of unrelated and unnecessary items and make finding what you're looking for more difficult. The quickest way to find articles in biology is to click the Databases tab. From there, click on the View Full Database A to Z list. Click on the drop-down menu that says All Subjects and select Biology. We are now looking at all the databases that have biology sources in them. I encourage you to look through and try these databases on your own time. Today, I just want to show you one particularly important and useful database, Web of Science. To get to Web of Science, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Web of Science. This is our largest database for supporting the sciences on campus. It has articles in biology, physics, chemistry, and more. You can use it to find original research articles as well as review articles for a given topic. Everything in Web of Science is peer-reviewed. Now, from the Web of Science homepage, you can put your search into the search box. I'm going to use the search phrase triclosan resistance, and I put it in quotes to make sure that it searches for that exact phrase. We have 108 results, which is enough to work with. If we wanted to narrow the results down, we could do so using these limiters on the left-hand side of the screen. You can narrow by author, by publication year, document type, category, publication titles, among many others. You can look through the rest of those on your own time. Now, let's say we wanted to find the full text of this first article here. We'll click on it, and here we have the article title, the authors, the journal it's published in, volume, issue, page number, publication year, and DOI. We also have an abstract, which is just a short summary of the article. So you can read this before reading the full article to determine whether or not it's actually useful for your research. We also have keywords. These author keywords were provided by the author to try to summarize in just a few words what the article is about. Now, if you wanted to find other articles about the same thing, you can just click on these keywords. So we'll click on triclosan resistance, and then we're taken to a new search result page with all of the articles that have triclosan resistance as a keyword. It's a quick way to find more articles on the same topic. So let's say that we've read the abstract and we would like to find the full text of this article. What you would do is click this little green and white circle here, and it will take you to this page. And now, if the library had the full text of the article, there'd be a link to it here. But it turns out that we don't have access to the full text of this article. Instead, we have this link that says Request via Interlibrary Loan. Click on that, and then you might be prompted to log in using your Randolph-Macon credentials. If not, you'll just be sent to this form here, which is already filled out, and then you can hit Submit Request. Interlibrary Loan is a service we offer to gain access to resources the library doesn't normally have access to. So when you search in Web of Science, you'll inevitably find articles that the library doesn't have access to. If you submit this form, we'll reach out to a library that does have the article, and they'll email it to you as a PDF. It usually just takes a day or two. Sometimes it can be just a couple hours. So it does require you to plan ahead a little bit, but the wait time is not too long. Yeah, great resource. Use it all the time. So now let's see what it's like when the library does have the full text of an article. We're going to go back to our original search results. We'll click the second article here. We'll read the abstract and say, this sounds great. Let's get the full thing. Again, just click the little green circle. Now we're taken to this page. I don't know why there's a frowny face there, but the thing that's important to us is this Go to Full Text Results link. Click on that. Now we're at a page that looked very similar to the one that for Interlibrary Loan, but instead of saying request via Interlibrary Loan, it says check for full text at the publisher site. If you click on this, you're then taken to a website with the full text of the article. This is in HTML. If you want a PDF of it, you just have to click Download PDF. And there you are with your PDF of the article. It's pretty straightforward, and now you know how to do it. There's one other thing I want to show you in Web of Science, which is this citation network. So every article has a bibliography at the end, or a works cited list or a reference list. We can see it right here. References, and then they're all listed. In Web of Science, you can access all of the articles in a reference list just by clicking this cited references. So you click that little 45 number, and here it takes you to basically another search results page, but this time with all of the articles cited in it. So it's one way to read an article and then find the articles it's sort of building off of or working from, a way to move backwards in time when doing research. So we can click this, and then we found an article that was cited in our first article. Now, if another thing you can do is move forward in time. So this article was published in 2007, and so it's certainly been cited since then. So if we want to see how people have used this article since it was published, we can find those citations as well. Here, they're just listed as 9. There's only 9, but if you click this, so all these articles cite that last article, and you'll notice they're all more recent than 2007, 2022, 2019, 2016, 2015, 2013, 2011, 2009. So this is a way to move forward in time from the article, and the other one moves backwards in time from the article. As you use databases and you use searching, you'll find that it's often difficult to find good articles just from searching from keyword searches. Using the citation network, which Web of Science makes very easy, is a quicker and more straightforward way to find articles on a topic. So that's everything I wanted to show you in Web of Science. Hopefully now you feel comfortable searching in Web of Science and getting to the full text PDF of an article. If you have any questions or you need help with anything, feel free to get in touch with me. You can do so either just by using this chat feature on the homepage, or if you go to Research Help from the homepage and scroll down, there's my contact information, my email, my phone number, and you can schedule an appointment with me from there. So thanks for your time and attention. I hope you enjoy the rest of your semester.